just got this Lego magazine right here, but the fact is, I was gonna do Lego hunting at the Lego store the other day. Here's this Lego horse set, which is the one I had at home. Here it is. Look at that. Gift with purchase. Free Lego Year of the Horse set when you spend $80 before taxes on any Lego sets. And there's also a wishing tree. Look at that. Building Lego at Metrotown is gonna be lots of fun. Don't believe me? Number 1, build your couplet frame. Number 2, customize your frame however you like. There's a Chinese New Year fortune master. There's also mini bonsai trees, red dragon, and a lucky cat. Here's the galloping horses canvas. Even the wild animals, panda family, and a tiger. Just built this couplet frame. I just wrote this down. May your year be filled with magic, happiness, friendship, and fun.